Today I am reviewing the HELLOLAND Gaming Desktop PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The HELLOLAND Gaming Desktop PC is designed for gamers and creators who want strong modern performance without stepping into extreme flagship pricing. With a powerful AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060T graphics, fast DDR5 memory, dual solid-state storage, and liquid cooling, this system delivers a balanced and future-ready experience that works equally well for gaming, streaming, and everyday productivity. Starting with the processor, the AMD Ryzen 7 8700F is a standout choice in this build. Featuring 8 cores and 16 threads, built on advanced 4nm technology, this CPU offers a base clock of 4.1 GHz and boosts up to 5.0 GHz when needed. In real-world use, that translates into fast game loading, smooth frame pacing, and excellent multitasking performance. Whether you are playing competitive esports titles, open-world AAA games, or running multiple applications like Discord, browsers, and recording software at the same time, the Ryzen 7 8700F keeps everything responsive and fluid. For graphics, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060T with 8 GB of VRAM provides solid mid to high-end performance for modern gaming. This GPU is well suited for 1080p Ultra settings and very capable at 1440p high settings in most current games. Thanks to NVIDIA's RTX features, you also gain access to ray tracing and DLSS technologies, which help improve visual quality while maintaining strong frame rates. Games look sharper, lighting feels more realistic, and performance remains smooth even during intense action scenes. For creators, the RTX 5060T also helps accelerate video rendering, streaming, and creative workloads that benefit from GPU power. One of the biggest strengths of this HELLOLAND system is its memory and storage configuration. With 32GB of DDR5 RAM, multitasking is effortless. You can game, stream, browse the web, and run background applications without worrying about slowdowns or stuttering. DDR5 memory also improves overall system responsiveness and helps future-proof the PC as games and applications become more demanding. Storage is equally well thought out. The system includes a fast 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD for your operating system and main games, ensuring quick boot times and near-instant loading screens. On top of that, the additional 1TB SATA SSD gives you extra space for game libraries, recordings, creative projects, and everyday files. This dual SSD setup offers a great balance of speed and capacity, eliminating the need for immediate upgrades. Cooling plays a major role in maintaining performance, and HELLOLAND includes a liquid CPU cooler to handle the Ryzen 7 8700F efficiently. During long gaming sessions or heavy workloads, the liquid cooling system keeps temperatures under control while operating quietly. This means stable performance over time, less thermal throttling, and a more comfortable experience, especially if you game or work for hours at a stretch. The power supply is a 650W unit, which is well matched to the hardware inside. It provides enough headroom for stable operation while maintaining efficiency and reliability. Combined with careful system assembly and testing, this ensures consistent performance and long-term durability. Visually, the HELLOLAND Gaming Desktop PC has a clean and modern look. The case features a transparent side panel that lets you see the internal components and cooling setup, giving it a premium gaming aesthetic. The overall design is sleek and minimal, making it a good fit for both gaming setups and home offices. It looks professional while still clearly being a gaming-focused machine. Out of the box, this PC comes fully built, stress-tested, and optimized. Windows 11 is pre-installed and activated, so setup is quick and simple. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support mean you can connect wirelessly to networks, controllers, headsets, and other accessories without needing extra adapters. This plug-and-play convenience is ideal for users who want to start gaming immediately without dealing with technical setup or troubleshooting. In real-world use, the HELLOLAND Gaming Desktop PC delivers smooth gameplay, fast system response, and reliable performance across a wide range of tasks. Competitive games feel responsive, Single-player titles look sharp and immersive, and multitasking remains seamless. For streamers and content creators, the combination of Ryzen processing power, RTX graphics, and fast storage makes recording, editing, and streaming much more efficient. In conclusion, the HELLOLAND Gaming Desktop PC is a well-balanced and thoughtfully built system that offers excellent value for modern gamers and creators. With its Ryzen 7 8700F processor, RTX 5060Ti graphics, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, dual SSD storage, liquid cooling, and ready-to-use Windows 11 setup, it provides strong performance today and enough headroom for the future. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful, and convenient pre-built gaming PC that handles gaming, streaming, and everyday productivity with ease, the HELLOLAND Gaming Desktop PC is a very solid choice.